Hey everybody, it's Chase here in the shop doing some work on some bikes, and I just wrapped up installing on this KTM 450 SXF the Tusk Separate Start Stop Conversion Kit. On the 2023 and newer KTM Husqvarna and Gas models, as you all know, their start and kill switch come on the same side of the bike on the same switch. And it's just not a setup that a lot of riders like. A couple reasons why. One, just a lot of people that like having their start switch and their kill switch on different sides of the bike, so maybe you don't get these confused. And let's be honest, these two buttons here don't have the best feel. You have to press pretty hard. You just don't get a good positive feel when you're using these. This kit goes back to the old way. So now you have a start switch on one side, kill switch on the other, better feel with these, and the best part is the install. These are direct plug and play. So all you have to do is just take the number plate off, disconnect this switch, remove that. This one plugs right in, put them on your bars, you're good to go. And I'm telling you now, if I can do it, anyone can do it. So if you have a 2023 and newer KTM Husqvarna Gas, you want to go back to the old style of start and stop on both sides, this is the kit that you need. Click the link or head to RockyMountainATVMC.com to get you one. We ship for free over 75 bucks, and to stay up to date on products like this, get subscribed to our YouTube channel. I'm Chase, we'll see you on the trails.